This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in Lincoln Park, just off the intersection of Clark and Fullerton, where there's Five Guys, ton of restaurants, shops, grocery store. Heading around for a look at the Patricians. Vintage high-rise with updated apartments. Heading further around, you're looking at Lincoln Park. The park itself. Just literally steps from the building. One of the great urban playgrounds in the entire United States. It's kind of cold out here, so let's head inside for a walk through one of the apartments. I've just walked into apartment 1607, and you're looking at some of the great vintage touches that extend throughout the unit. Elaborate crown moldings, Moorish arches between the rooms, light oak hardwood flooring, high baseboards. Turning to the right to walk into the kitchen, which is galley style. Stainless steel appliances include a 4-burner electric range, dishwasher, built-in microwave. There's honey-stained cabinetry, plenty of it. Granite counters. Window in the kitchen, looking south toward the skyline. And there's space in the kitchen for a small breakfast table. Getting back toward the hall. Coat closet off to the left. 2 banks of shelving. First of the 2 bedrooms. Entered through double doors with an arch. Nice sized bedroom. Again, with great windows looking south. And of course, closet, mirrored doors. A generously sized living dining area. 3 windows looking out to the north. And again, those great vintage touches include sconce lighting. Heading toward the second of the 2 bedrooms. There's another closet with shelving as you approach the bath, which has a deep soaking tub, pedestal sink, wall-mounted medicine cabinet, shelving for your shampoo and whatever, and a frosted window for natural light. Second of the 2 bedrooms, another ceiling fan, wide closet, and again that hardwood flooring continuing throughout. Patricians is one of the grand vintage buildings fronting the park almost in Lincoln Park. One of the ones that you really want to have on your must-see list when you're looking for a new apartment in what's really the heart of Lincoln Park. Great location. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.